Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I will review every website for you. So today, let's start with Domainify. The world's first technology to kickstart profitable domain and hosting selling business too. Register unlimited cheapest domains and hosting for your clients and earning daily affiliate commission on hands-free mode. Now cancel paying huge fees monthly to expensive third-party domain registration and hosting platforms and get paid instantly when anyone purchases domains across the globe. World's first and only technology to start your domain and hosting platform with no dependency on third parties. Yes, you heard it right, get paid instantly when anyone purchases domains across the globe. To watch this video, please visit the link in the description. World's first and only technology to start your domain and hosting platform with no dependency on third parties. Easily add and register millions of domains from every TLD, .com, .net, .org, etc. Bank in big selling top-notch domains and hosting at the price you want to customers across the globe. Cancel your current domain subscription and save huge money yearly. Monetize by adding your own affiliate links, sell your own products or through ads. Make passive income when someone buys a domain through your affiliate links. Cutting edge, fully functional 3-step process to search and sell premium domains to anyone you need. Get premium, lightning fast hosting deals for your clients. Never worry about manually buying and selling domain and hosting plans, everything automated. Commercial license included to provide red-hot services to hungry business owners globally. 100% easy to use, newbie-friendly technology. Get Domainify by paying $99 per m, just $17 one time. It's now or never. So be ready to pay more later. Your low investment is protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Just check the link in the description. Still wondering why you haven't seen the profits you deserve? Because you have been paying bully platforms through your nose until now. Just check this platforms, all of this is not that good platforms. And that's just the start. Third-party domain registration platforms come with tons of other problems like high monthly fees, complications in transferring domain names, domain name infringement issues, domain verification failure, registrant email verification issues, quota limit exceed issues, issues relating to contract configuration. This all problems we face using other platforms as shown above. See how real people are suffering daily, even after paying tons of money to third-party domain registration platforms. All of this is the real problem with others' platforms. Guys, what we've mentioned here is not even 0.01% of the total users who are facing some issues or the other with third-party domain registration platforms that charge like crazy. Here are some more issues covered by leading publications that top domain registration platforms have. And to make it even clearer, there are around 628.5 million registered domains around the world. Now you know the huge potential that's up for grabs. So don't sell domain hosting from any other platform. Just give a try to this platform. So, the final choice is yours. Now, it's time to turn your worries into blessings. In just 3 easy steps. And there's no huge investment or time needed. Step number 1, login. Step number 2, create your first domain/hosting selling site. Step number 3, get paid every time someone registers a domain or purchases a hosting plan. That's it, you are ready to earn money with this. Here's your chance to gain lifetime access to the most revolutionary domain registration and hosting selling platform at a low one-time cost. There is simply no competition. Make the smart switch to this life-changing technology and save thousands of dollars now. Commercial license included only when you act now. Get Domainify by paying $99 per m, just $17 one time. Yes, you heard it right, just $17 one time and you are ready to go. It's now or never. To know more about this, just check the link in the description. Thank you so much for watch.